All right, folks, it's Tuesday, December 1st, and we wrapped up the month of November yesterday, and what a month it was. Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq all had massive months. Dow Jones and the S&P up nearly 12% on the month, and the Nasdaq just behind, up nearly 11%. Now, with the Dow Jones, that's the strongest single month we've seen since January 1987. So big moves on the back of positive vaccine news that we got out of companies like Moderna, Pfizer, AstraZeneca, and the like. Now, still a lot on tap for the month of December. We still have stimulus talks that are out there lingering. We still have this transition from President Trump to President-elect Biden that's looming. So a couple big catalysts that can move this market over the course of the next, let's call it 30+ days. That being said, looking at this week, we have that OPEC Plus meeting that's taking place today as well as yesterday. The thought was we get an announcement as soon as today on whether they roll those production cuts forward into early 2021. There's rumors on the street that that announcement's getting delayed until Thursday. So keep your eyes on that oil market. Again, the market wants those production cuts rolled forward. If anything outside of that happens, we could see a pullback in oil. In FX, continued weakness in the dollar, that euro just shy of that key 1.20 level, something to keep an eye on there. Then if you look over at the precious metals, gold, which has been leaned on quite a bit over the past couple weeks, seeing gold trade higher this morning by 1.5%, up above $1,800 an ounce. Now in the equity markets, a little bit of weakness yesterday. We've made back all of those losses. We're now up about 300 in the Dow Jones, up 30 or so in the S&P, and up in the Nasdaq by about 1%. So 1% move across the board, seeing some strength heading into the open. So let's go out there, let's get after today. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Twitter, you name it, so you can stay updated throughout the day with these updates as we put them out. Have a great day.